friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're looking at the best paper deals at Walgreens for the week of the 22nd to the 28th of April. And your eyes do not deceive you. They have changed the packaging on a lot of their products. I'm talking like the Walgreens generic paper products. I get the sneakiest suspicion that a lot of these paper products are made where the name brand products are made. Just a hunch, because a lot of the quality of these products are very similar to like Angel Soft or Sparkle. But they have changed some of the packaging, so I'm wondering when the old packaging is going to clear out. And this is some of the new stuff that I saw, and including this little quad pack that's supposed to be 8 for $1.99. And it is the Walgreens generic. So if I ever do see some of the older packaging go on clearance, I'll definitely let you guys know. I think even at 50% off right now, it's going to fly out of the store, but I will let you guys definitely know. So let's get right into this. The first deal we're going to look at is with the Scott toilet paper and paper towel. You guys are going to have to forgive me, but I actually did this deal last week on both of my store cards. I had a family member that we gave a bunch of stuff to, including some paper. So I made sure to do this deal like on my 2 store cards just to hook them up with paper because I thought it was so fantastic. So if you guys did not in fact do this deal, or if you just don't like Scott, maybe in the comments down below you can chime in and let us know like, hey, it's this or that, just to help us. I think the best way to do this is curbside. That 2 off of 2 coupon, is it still valid? That's my question. Because if it isn't, this is going to be an extra $4. But if not, it's going to be $4 less, because that 2 off 2 coupon for the toilet paper and paper towel, I don't know if it expired last weekend or if it's still ongoing this week, because we still have a week left of Walgreens deals for this month. So we're going to throw in 2 of the paper towels and 2 of the toilet papers, and that 2 off 2 cutie pie, I'm curious if it's there or not. So maybe if you didn't do the deal, if you can check the app, is the coupon there or not, and let us know. That would be so great. So you're grabbing 4 units of paper. I do know the store coupon, the $1.25 off of 1 package, is still there. So coming off of this, you get your $5 for the 4 packs, $1.25 times 4, the 2 manufacturers, and $1.10 with WAG 10. So $20, $6.10 melting off, along with $4 in digitals. It's $10.37. Now, if that $4 of manufacturers isn't coming off, the 2 for the toilet paper and the 2 for the paper towel, it's going to be $14.73. Either way, I mean, if you want to stock up on paper, just last week my husband and I gave a little bit to a family member. We really wanted to give them a lot of paper just to get them organized, especially with the really bad weather we've been having in Michigan. So yep, that's it. Final deal that I have prepared for you, curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, is 3 of these Walgreens. They're the 6 count of this premium bathroom tissue for $11.97. This is very similar to Charmin. I don't know. It just seems very familiar to me. And I did pick up a pack of this and I was shocked and surprised. And I think it's a great product that they put into the fleet. You can use the code WAG10 to save an additional $1.20. If you're doing this in store, you're not going to save that $1.20. So that's why it's better to do it as a curbside pickup, just to save that extra $1.20, because who doesn't like saving that little bit of extra? And I know that a lot of us are really timing out, if you're driving to the store, you're only trying to go there doing a bunch of errands all at once. Cost of gas is through the roof, and myself included in that. That's why a lot of these curbside deals are just so smart. So for 3 packs, it's $11.97, subtracting $1.20 with WAG 10. A little bit of tax there, so $11.42. If you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.42. And this is a very smart deal. And if you're going to do a big bulky order of paper, such as that Scott, go to the store sooner than later, because it does take a little bit of room at their photo counter over at Walgreens. The next couple deals we're doing in store, including this one, $6.99 for the Brawny and Quilted Northern. When you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. And you guys, I was in the store yesterday, but it slipped my mind to photograph all the tags, but this is what the tag would say. And but I did photograph the product, which is stupid and weird. So you're grabbing one of these quilted northerns. There's $1.50 digital for that one. And the Brawny, there is a dollar coupon, and it's a 2 equals 6. So it has quite a bit of paper towel in that. And it's a really good quality. I know a lot of you prefer fancier paper products, so this would definitely be the fancy one this week. So grabbing 2 of each at $6.99, it is $13.98. Subtracting the $1.50 off of the quilted and the $1 off of the Brawny, you're paying $11.48, getting back a $3 register reward. So it makes it $8.48 for the 2 or $4.24 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I don't think any of us got a digital booster this week, just paper boosters. So yeah, use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or other register rewards that you might have, just so you're paying a lot less, because $11.48 is a little bit gross out of pocket. Anyway, you slice that one, it's just a little bit. Okay, so looking at the ad, there's also a lot of Walgreens products at $1.99, including these new packaged $1.99 toilet papers. There's also like their knockoff Windex and trash bags. I mean, you can always mix and match, but if you just want to stock up on paper, I think it's super smart right now, especially everything going on in the world. One thing that a lot of us do is have a larger stockpile with paper. And even myself, like I was trying to help a family member out last week, paper was top of the list. So grabbing 5 packs of this toilet paper is $9.95. With the tax, you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash. But say you have a register reward, possibly from Colgate or any deal, you could throw it in. It has to be under $10, though. That $10 beauty one wouldn't work because it's $9.95. But you can use $10 in Walgreens cash with the tax, which makes no sense. Anywho, it's a great deal. I would definitely stock up for 5 of these. And again, not a lot of us have a booster this week, so I would definitely use Walgreens cash. And also the Kleenex products it's a 3 count. They're 2 for $10, so they're $5 each. There are no coupons to go with this, but if you wanted to stock up on facial tissue, this is definitely for 2 for $10. You're saving $1.49 per box, so it's not a bad little deal. You have to grab them in increments of 2 to get the 2 for $10 price, but I would definitely stock up. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.